We are the British Birds Association for Peasant Shooting, BBAPS, a group of former avian artists recently retrained following governmental advice as birds of prey. We are gathered in a socially distanced manner, here today to commend the great British government for the exemption of shooting and hunting from recent Rule of Six regulations. Whilst, of course, at this moment, birds should not gather for the non-essential activity of singing, it is indeed integral to our society and our economy that a grouse, or any other bird of good standing for that matter, with the land and the license to do so, be permitted to congregate with other respectable birds and engage in a valiant sport of shooting humans. Our organisation's patron, the Ducke of Edinburgh, alongside other esteemed members such as Lord Squawk-Squawk, Viscount Pheasant-Egg, the Right Honorable Reverend Peacock, and the pine penguin himself, Boris Swansong, are all delighted by the government's protection of the mighty sport of shooting poor people. And jolly good fun it is too. May many more peasants be shot today. And there goes one now! Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy peasant pie! Oh, that'll make a jolly nice piece of peasant pie.